In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of generating TikTok and Reel scripts using AI. It's easier than you think. So, let's get started. First, click on the link below to open up Simplified AI. If you're new to Simplified AI, you'll need to create an account or simply log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Templates tab in the left-hand corner of your screen. In the search bar, type TikTok-Reels script and select the relevant tools from the options provided. Now input your video content title into the designated field. If you wish to fine-tune the script, activate the advanced options. You can set the number of results and creativity level, and even choose the preferred language for your script. Once you're satisfied with your preferences, click the Generate button to proceed. Congratulations, you now have a script generated by Simplified AI. To access and edit the script, click the Open in Editor button located in the top right corner of the Results section. To transfer the script to this page and start editing, simply click the plus icon above the script in the Results section. Editing your script is a breeze. Just grab the words or paragraphs you want to edit, and the editing tools will pop up. You can also utilize the tools above for further modifications. If you want to share your generated script with someone or send it to your private email, click the Share button in the top right corner of your screen. To download your script, click the Export button located beside the Share button in the top right corner of your screen. Then simply click the Download button and save it.